Well, good afternoon, everybody. It's Bella here from RachandBellaCrafts, and I've come on to do a flip through because I've had a bit of a week this week, and I've just been crafting quietly because I've been unwell. I've had a really bad cough, and then this morning one of my teeth fell out. So it's been one of those weeks. I'm just a bit run down, I think, so I don't know what's going on with my teeth, but hey ho, I can't get into the dentist until the 7th of January, so good job I'm not in any pain. So that's that. But I have carried on, so please forgive me that I didn't carry on working in the journal, but I just needed some peace and quiet. But some good news, I've had lovely news this week. My youngest granddaughter has just got engaged, so we're over the moon, and she's getting married next year, so some good news at last. So isn't that lovely? So there we go. But anyway, I thought I'd come on and I would show you the finished article, and I wanted to wish you all a very, very Merry Christmas in a week or so's time, and I hope you all have a fabulous time, just in case I forget to say it at the end. Thank you all for your lovely comments. They've been amazing, and to be honest, they've kept me going. I'm sorry about the light, but it's a really dismal day today, and I think I've got these lights. Let me see if I can change. There we are. They're both the same now. So let's make a start, shall we? So I hope you're all well and are crafting away busily or shopping busily, but there's so much to do, isn't there? And sometimes we've just got to stop and take stock and just think about what it's all about. So I've had plenty of time to do that this week while I've been mulling over the different things that are going on at the moment. But my husband's much better. Thank you all so much for those lovely, kind words. He is much, much better. He's back to himself. I'm dribbling a bit because of this tooth, so please forgive me. I feel really strange today, but I wanted to get it done, and I'm jabbering away, and I shouldn't be. So let's make a start, shall we? I put two ribbons on here as a closure. Okay, there's the back, there's the front. There's the back, there's the front. And I'm just trying to make sure I'm in shot because I haven't got much space I can't get my camera to go up any higher. So I'm just going to have to keep looking up to make sure I'm in shot. So I've done a lovely bow here with two ribbons. I'll just undo them. Okay, and I think I'll remove that a moment. Put it on the side there. And let's begin. So you've seen this, most of you. This has been machine stitched, and I put a collage on there. Okay, and then inside, I did put a pocket on. I did relent and I put a pocket on, but I did match it up with the picture at the back. Yes, you can see, I think. And I've got Christ the Saviour is born on there. And I've got a lovely tag on there with Rachel's scriptures on tucked in there. Okay. And that's that one. So that goes in the front of there. So I put some lace on this lovely little girl page here. All right. And that's out of my book. I've just finished this now, and I've just popped that in there. That's there if you want to put something hidden in there. And I've also just put that on, the Christmas Carol. And I got the heading, and then I can't grab it. I've been using this as a gluing book, and I noticed it said a Christmas Carol, so I've cut that out, and I've actually put it on here, look. So I thought that was rather nice. This is some tracing paper. No, actually, I think it's very thin vellum. I'm lisping, aren't I? Sorry about that. Can't do much about it. My tooth is gone, and that's the end of it. So that's that. Sweet little journal card in there. Journal tag. Walking in Winter Wonderland. I thought she looked like she was out in the Winterland. Lovely little truck on there. And this one, remember, that was the last thing I did, I think, or it was the tags, one or the other, because I think I did the one before the other. So that's that. That goes in there nicely. There over the page tucks. And this one is the hidden writing spot in there. That I did those in the collaboration, if you remember. and that tucks in there very nicely. And this one is just a tag, and I was watching Roxy Creations, and she was making something similar to what I did with the tag journal, if you remember, with a ring, but she had a secret spot here for you to put something in if you wanted to hide something. And I thought that was a good idea, so I've done that, and I just clipped that on there because it's rather a big one, and I didn't want to cut it down because of this lovely horse. And there's a pocket there, and I've just put the little girls on there. These papers are absolute. Now this, I may tighten this up now I've finished it. And what I was going to do, I was going to glue that down because I didn't want the knot to show, but you could still put something in there, which I probably will do. It's a bit lumpy, but I can't avoid that. I could have put it further down, but I can't without messing about with the pages. So I may just leave it like that, and the person, whoever gets this, will decide what to do with that, because, you know, they may have a different idea. But these papers are absolutely stunning. Really thrilled with them. So, so pretty. There's the rocking horse again. Aren't these gorgeous? Just absolutely beautiful. And I put a bauble on there, making sure you can see, yes. Now this is one of the envelopes, and I didn't cover this because I like the gold. So what I've done there, I put the rocking horse on there with some book page, one of those over the page tucks. But it's not a tuck, that is actually glued down, that one. And then I've done that with the lovely little tag. Well, it's a big tag actually, it's not a little one, is it? It's a big tag with some beautiful ribbon from Angela Kerr. And then over the page then I've got these little envelopes of Rachel's. And you can write in those. And I just tuck them in there like that. And I've got another one down here with that ticket there, and that ticket is from the last the collaboration kit. Okay, and I've put one of Rachel's little sayings on there as well, so I'm really pleased with it. I haven't dressed that one. I've left some things for the person to, that is absolutely stunning, isn't it, for the person to carry on dressing, because what I've got left I'm going to put in a bag, and the person can then carry on if they so wish. Okay, these are these little tags that I downloaded. I think they're in the description box where I got those from in the last video, so I'll try and put them in the bottom of this video. Now I put that one in there, that was an envelope. Okay, so that goes in there, and that, I won't take it off, it's got a little writing pad in there. Okay, and that was what I made in the collaboration, if you remember. Just take my time and get that in properly. More fingers and thumbs, aren't I? Yes, it's been quite a hard week, but never mind. Christmas is just around the corner, and I'm going away for Christmas. I'm going to stay with Rachel and the boys. So they come out, there are two labels in there. And there's a little tuck there if you want to hide something up in there. That says Winter Wonderland. We've got a rocking horse here. Oh, this one I had some paper on my desk, so I thought I'd just pop that down there on that plain page, and some lace on that side. Okay, oh, isn't that lovely? Isn't that beautiful? And this one is a tuck. Okay, that just goes in there like that. I didn't want to detract from this, so I've left the Christmas tree because I thought that went beautifully with these presents and the stocking, so that's why I haven't put anything on that. Okay, and that's the other side, and that's an envelope. Now you can either seal it or leave it to writing. Okay, lovely teacup on there, another tuck under there that says tree ornaments, and that says Jesus is the reason for the season. And that is, again, is from that book A Christmas Carol, and I've just put those two lovely things on there from the add-on. I haven't told you what it's called, have I? Dusky Vintage Christmas is the kit, and these are the add-ons for the Dusky Vintage Christmas. Okay, RachandBellaCrafts. That is lovely, absolutely beautiful. There's another one of those, okay, with a seal on the top. I love that train, I absolutely love it. Now this one is a flip. It's quite a solid, why that became so solid like that, I can't remember, but it is, so it's quite solid, that one. Plenty of room to write in. These are beautiful, aren't they? Look at her, is she lovely? Absolutely beautiful. And that one, I love that one. Some lace on the edge in there, and I made 2 little tags there for you to write in, and they can still be dressed if you so wish. And I've got a bauble and a reindeer on here. So there's plenty of space and plenty of scope to carry on dressing this journal if you wish. As I say, I will put in what I've got left, and the words and everything I'll put in a little bag, and they can go in with the journal, and then the person can carry on. Now I've just done this. I wanted to do, because I had this tag left over, and I've just put that on there, and this is just one of the pages that I've taken this page from one of the signature pages that says peace on earth will come to stay when we live Christmas every day. Exactly. And I've done some paper on the back, and there's still room to write a little message, and it says cast all your cares upon him, he cares for you, 1 Peter 5:7. Okay, so that's going in there, and that says joy to the world has come. Sorry, joy to the world, the Lord has come. Can't read. And this is another one of those hidden writing spots there, okay, that I did in a collaboration. That says Christmas spirit, and that says magical time, and that's going in the tuck there. Aren't these beautiful? I love these. I really enjoyed making those, and that was thanks to Kathy's Garden. Now this one isn't too thick, which I'm pleased about. And you can, if you've got a dark pen, you know, like one of these inky ones, rollerball ones, you'll be able to write over that, no problem. Or you can put paper over it, one or the other. That one's got, I didn't want to hide his face, so I tucked it all in there. What I could have done was go on the other side, but I've left it there like that, okay? And that's the hearts that's got, Rachel's got in her kit as well. So I've enjoyed making this. After the red, it was a bit strange, but I did enjoy it. Now this, I had planned on putting these inside the journal, because I know Roxy Creation has been showing us how to use these, and I forgot at the beginning, but I've done it at the back now. And this has got 2 cards in, and those 2 little scriptures there, and that says Jesus Christ, as you can see. All right, and you can write on the back of that. But that, I'm sorry about the glare, I'll put my hand over it. And then you don't lose the picture, you see. But when I went to stick them in, they were too wide, so I was gutted. But never mind. But that one's in the back, so at least you're going to see what's on the back cover. So there she is. So I hope you like her. And she lies beautifully, look, whatever way. Okay, so there's plenty in there for you to play with. And that's what she looks like. Now, would you like to know the measurements? If I get my, because I know people will ask me what the measurements are. So we've got 16, roughly, maybe 15.5 centimeters wide, and 22.5 centimeters long, and 6 inches, I would say 6 inches wide by 9 inches long. And then we've got not quite 2 3/4 there. And then the spine is 2 inches. And by the way, I did put elastic in afterwards. I think I told you that. So she's got an elasticated to keep the signatures in. Okay, you can just see it there. And as I say, where I've tied it up, which was quite a feat in itself, there's only one knot. All right, so the knot is in the first signature, and this is why I've put this in here. I might try and tighten it up, but on the other hand, I may leave it in case somebody wants to put more pages in, because there's still room, guys. There's still room. So we've got our ribbon. Will I be able to do it back up as I did earlier? I doubt it. I haven't been myself this week, guys. Not at all. Moving Rachel the week before and then coming down with something wasn't funny, but never mind, we're getting there. My hubby's well, that's the main thing. Now, let's see if I can do what I did earlier. I doubt it, but I'll try. Now, there. I'm all fingers and thumbs, aren't I? Underneath. It's not as nice as I did it earlier, but you get the idea. And I will fiddle with it and I'll make it nice. So don't worry, it'll be beautiful when it goes in my my KoFi, which I shall do this evening. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful Christmas. I probably won't do any more now till after Christmas, because I'm not 100%. So, but thank you for your support. Thank you to all the new subscribers, because you've just made my month. And thank you for the support that we had in the collaboration. And Rachel, I'm sure, will be doing the draw very soon. She didn't have a chair to sit on in her craft room until today, so I think she's gradually getting the craft room up and running, so in case you're wondering about that, but I'm sure she will get it done soon. So thank you for your patience. Take care, everybody, and God bless you all.